Telephonic diplomacy between General Musharraf and President Bush has yielded another assurance from the Pakistani president that general elections will be held before the 15th of February. He also promised he will take off his military uniform before taking oath for his second presidential term. To read between the lines of the constant statements coming out of Washington, our correspondent Sami Ibrahim spoke to Dr. Farooq Hasnat of the Middle East Institute. Let's take a look.
Today we have with us Dr. Farooq Hasnat, who is a scholar here at the Middle East Institute. Dr. Farooq, how will you interpret the situation and how do you see this latest development?
I would say that this is the second martial law imposed by a Musharraf regime, and this time he imposed martial law against himself. There is an extremely serious situation in Pakistan. The civil society has arisen. There is a kind of a revolt against the regime. The statement by President Bush had an effect on President Musharraf because he relies so much on the United States economic and military aid. And he agreed to have elections and also to take off his uniform. But I believe these measures are not enough because the real issue is that Pakistan should go back to the Constitution of 1973 and judiciary must be restored. So I think these demands by President Bush are short of what the Pakistani people need.
President Musharraf in his statement said that elections will be held and he will be leaving the office of the Chief of the Army Staff. But there is no mention of restrictions on media and about restoration of a judiciary. How do you see that?
No, I don't think that these measures are enough. Holding of elections under what circumstances? Under this martial law and blackout of media and when thousands of people are in jail. I think these elections are sham, will be, if ever held, will be sham elections, and I don't think they'll have any consequences until the constitutional is restored. It goes back to its original position. When it goes back to its original position, automatically the media will be free and the judges will be restored.
Thank you very much, Dr. Farooq.
Thank you.
Though President Bush had the statement of President Musharraf, but a State Department official talking to us privately said that United States has two priorities, one war on terror and the other promotion of democracy. But if there is a tie, then certainly war on terror is going to win.
That was Sami Ibrahim talking to Dr. Farooq of the Middle East Institute.